Let me take you through to the Waves Plaza Mall, located at number 86 and 88 Central Avenue, between 7th and 8th Street. If you are looking for a place to rent, place yekuisa shop yako kutengesa hembe kana office, this is the best spot for you. We have restaurants, electronic shops, butchery, liquor store, clothing and footwear, pharmacy iripo zvekare wakanzwa kamusoro kachitema. The advantage of being at this mall is that 24/7 security baba inenge iripo to give you peace of mind. Free delivery services in CBD for anyone who is going to buy pane any shop iri at the Waves. Free parking for both clients and tenants. Flexible rental options. My way, ndakataudzwa kuti you know what, ndoda kuunza VIP koto because my rentals acho are very affordable. Guys, this is a big place. Yakakura ndimene ndimbokutarisa kubalcony. Unogona kuenda zvako uchinyatsoona zvako. Apa manje ndo pandoda ndichitiza vanhu vezvigere. I love this beautiful mall because it's very classy. Paka sununguka, paka faranuka. You want a place where you can, in fact, there's too much traffic. There's traffic ya vanu tenga. Parking dofunga mwikiona saka manya, please hurry up and secure your place today.